What your favorite math formula says about you. Pythagorean theorem. You peaked in high school geometry and still think right triangles are the peak of mathematical beauty. Quadratic formula. You love solving problems in the most complicated way possible and secretly enjoy memorizing useless things. Euler's formula. You tell people this is the most beautiful equation like it's a personality trait. Area of a circle. You appreciate simplicity but also struggle to remember if it's r squared or 2 pi r when asked on the spot. Circumference of a circle. You believe that all problems can be solved by just going in circles. Slope formula. You have a strong moral compass and believe that life is all about direction, unless the denominator is 0. Logarithms. You enjoy making simple numbers look unnecessarily complicated just to sound smart. Integration. You love taking things apart just to put them back together again and call it understanding. Derivative. You live for instant gratification and always need to know how things are changing right now. Bayes' theorem. You overthink everything and your favorite pastime is updating your beliefs mid-conversation. Taylor series. You believe that everything in life can be approximated, including your friendships. Or binomial theorem. You love patterns and will take any excuse to use Pascal's triangle in casual conversation. Law of sines. You have a thing for symmetry but still struggle to tell sine and cosine apart. Law of cosines. You trust the Pythagorean theorem but feel the need to take things a step further just to be safe. Euler's identity. You love topological nonsense and feel personally offended when people don't appreciate surfaces as much as you do. Or Fourier transform. You think life is just a bunch of frequencies and secretly wish you lived in the frequency domain. Navier-Stokes equations. You claim to understand turbulence, but deep down, you know no one really does. Schrodinger's equation. You pretend to like math, but really you just think quantum physics sounds cool. Stirling's approximation. You enjoy making things needlessly complicated when a simple factorial would do. Riemann hypothesis. You thrive on unsolved problems and secretly believe you might be the one to crack it. Lagrange multipliers. You love optimization but somehow still can't organize your own life. Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. You firmly believe in boundaries and that some things should just never exceed their limits. Black-Scholes equation. You don't actually understand this, but you love throwing it around to sound financially sophisticated. The chain rule. You overcomplicate simple tasks by breaking them into unnecessary substeps. Laplace's equation. You crave stability and balance in life, and yet chaos follows you everywhere. The Fibonacci sequence. You see patterns in everything and probably think golden spirals are the key to the universe. Gödel's incompleteness theorems. You love philosophy and believe that nothing in life can ever be truly proven, including your own decisions. The heat equation. You are surprisingly calm for someone obsessed with how heat spreads. The wave equation. You believe in the power of oscillations, even if your life is just one big sine wave of procrastination. The zeta function. You claim to love prime numbers, but deep down you just enjoy looking at complicated graphs. Dirac delta function. You believe in extreme minimalism and wish all problems could be solved in one instant. Ramanujan's infinite pi formula. You think normal math is boring and prefer numbers that make people's heads hurt. Game theory payoff matrices. You see life as a strategic battle where everyone is either winning or losing, especially in relationships. The halting problem. You enjoy telling people their problems can't actually be solved. Kolmogorov complexity. You think simplicity is overrated and that anything worth doing should require at least a 50-page proof.